So please welcome Madeleine and Marvin on stage.
So, hello everyone from my side and from Marvin's side. As already announced, my name is Madeleine.
And I'm Marvin. So we are both members from the Plug and Play family, and we are really, really proud to announce the winners of this year's Plug and Play Global Innovation Awards. So, Madeleine, just out of curiosity, I'm asking for some friends here. What do partners need to do to actually get this award?
Really good question, Marvin. With the Plug and Play Global Innovation Award, we want to honor the work of our partners and startups who successfully come together and apply their knowledge, passion, and innovation to solve challenges facing the industry in an exceptional manner.
So that sounds really great. Now you've got my attention.
Good.
I think we are super, super excited to know who actually won this award.
Great. So let's kick the ceremony off with our first winner of the Plug and Play Global Innovation Award, Madison and Brodmann17. Please come to the stage. So, Madison and Brodmann17 combined their expertise in rearview, mirror systems, and vision AI to bring safety and comfort to our vehicles.
Hello, my name is Alexander Slama. I'm from Madison and heading the pre-development department. I'm really happy and proud to receive this prize. Thanks a lot to Startup Autobahn and Plug and Play and the jury. The vision of our project was and is to make truck driving more safe by artificial intelligence and to reduce fuel consumption significantly by camera monitor systems. The next step is to improve our just started AI technology for this futuristic truck application. And I'm really happy to work with Brodmann in this international collaboration between Israel, England, and Germany. Thanks a lot.
I'm Matt Snelson from Brodmann17. Just a massive thank you to all the guys and girls at Madison Group. It's great to be a startup working with such a prestigious company. And from all our team, thank you.
Thank you so much.